Hey guys, Residual Hustler here, and I'm going to show you what I found at Marshall's, this Pebble Beach quarter zip pullover for $13, normally $17. So what we're going to do is we're going to scan the barcode with the Amazon Seller app. So here's my Amazon Seller app. I'm going to click on the little camera. We're going to scan the barcode. Listing pops up right there. We're going to click on the listing, Amazon listing. It's ranked 521,000 in sports. Now that is high. I like to stay below 250, but look, it's got a lot of reviews. And wait till you see the profit on this one. We're going to click right here. You see all the fees. I'm going to put in my $13 buy cost and look at the profit. $24.03 profit on this Pebble Beach pullover. This is how I make a full-time income selling on Amazon. For more info, go to residualhustler.com.